Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 2929, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 2929? What's the symbolism of 2929? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2929 mean for love? What does 2929 mean for twin flames? What does 2929 for manifestation? How does angel number 2929 affect finances? What does 2929 mean for former relationships? How does 2929 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 2929? What are the weaknesses of angel number 2929? What's the meaning of angel number 2929? Angel number 2929 signals the closing of one chapter and the beginning of another. It emphasizes spiritual growth, life purpose, and the importance of letting go of things that no longer serve you. The number 2 represents balance and partnership, while 9 symbolizes spiritual awakening, humanitarianism, and endings. Together, they encourage you to release outdated patterns, relationships, or goals to make room for something more aligned with your soul. This number is a divine reminder that transformation is necessary for progress and that you're being divinely guided toward a more fulfilling path filled with purpose and spiritual depth. What's the symbolism of angel number 2929? The symbolism of 2929 centers on cycles, transition, and soul mission. The repeated 9s highlight spiritual completion and wisdom gained from life experiences. Number 2, appearing twice, underscores relationships, harmony, and duality. Combined, 2929 symbolizes the graceful closure of one life phase and the dawn of another, reminding you to trust in divine timing. It also suggests that helping others and living authentically are central to your path. The number encourages courage in releasing what's familiar and embracing higher truth. Symbolically, it's a call to elevate your life by choosing love, purpose, and alignment with your inner calling. What is the angel number 2929 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 2929 is deeply powerful. It represents the culmination of personal growth and the transition into a higher level of spiritual awareness. The double 9s indicate a time of completion, calling you to serve others and step into your spiritual mission. Meanwhile, the 2s suggest divine support and the importance of community and cooperation. This number asks you to trust that the universe is helping you fulfill your life purpose and that changes you're experiencing are divinely orchestrated. Meditation, compassion, and spiritual service are emphasized, urging you to live more mindfully and embrace your soul's deeper truth. What does the angel number 2929 mean for love? In love, 2929 speaks of emotional growth and honest reflection. If you're in a relationship, it may be time to assess whether your connection aligns with your true self. This number often signals a need to release unhealthy patterns or even end a relationship that hinders your growth. For singles, it indicates that self-love and spiritual fulfillment will attract a more meaningful partnership. It also encourages emotional maturity and compassion. Angel number 2929 reminds you that love should uplift, not restrain. Embrace change, trust your intuition, and allow relationships to evolve in ways that honor your heart and purpose. What does angel number 2929 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 2929 represents transformation and spiritual readiness. It may indicate a phase of separation, reflection, or reunion, depending on where you and your twin are on your journey. The 9s point to the closing of karmic cycles, urging both partners to heal and evolve before reuniting. The 2s symbolize harmony and divine timing, emphasizing the importance of patience and trust. This number encourages twin flames to focus on their individual growth first. Only when each has aligned with their higher self can the relationship thrive. It's a reminder that twin flame unions are sacred and guided by divine purpose. What does angel number 2929 for manifestation? Angel number 2929 is a potent sign for manifestation, particularly when focused on your soul purpose and spiritual growth. It urges you to clear out the old, whether beliefs, habits, or people, that block your path. The double nines call for releasing what no longer serves you, while the twos highlight balance, intuition, and partnerships that support your vision. This number tells you that by aligning your actions with your spiritual truth and maintaining faith, you'll attract what's truly meant for you. Manifestation through 2929 requires letting go, trusting divine timing, and making space for higher, more meaningful desires to emerge. How does angel number 2929 affect finances? In finances, angel number 2929 suggests a shift or transition, perhaps the end of a financial cycle and the beginning of a more aligned one. It encourages you to evaluate your money mindset and habits, letting go of scarcity thinking or unsustainable financial practices. The presence of 9 urges you to consider how your financial choices align with your spiritual values and greater purpose. Meanwhile, the 2 reminds you of balance and partnership. Financial improvement may come through collaborations or shared goals. Be open to new opportunities that feel aligned, and trust that release often leads to greater abundance and flow. What does angel number 2929 mean for former relationships? Angel number 2929 encourages healing and closure from former relationship. It suggests that the lessons you've learned from the past have prepared you for deeper love and emotional maturity. The number 9 points to endings and karmic resolution, while the 2 reflects forgiveness, harmony, and moving forward with grace. If you've been holding on to emotional baggage, now is the time to release it. This number affirms that former relationships were part of your soul journey, not mistakes. Use their lessons to grow, and allow yourself the freedom to love again, with wisdom, clarity, and a heart ready for renewal. How does angel number 2929 guide your work life? In your work life, 2929 suggests that a career cycle is ending and a more spiritually fulfilling path is emerging. It urges you to assess whether your current job aligns with your life purpose and values. The number 9 invites service-oriented work or a mission-driven role, while the 2 indicates that collaboration and diplomacy will be essential. You may feel called to leave a job that no longer fits or start a venture that better reflects who you are becoming. This number reminds you that fulfillment comes from authenticity and impact, not just income. Trust your instincts and evolve courageously. What are the strengths of angel number 2929? The strengths of 2929 include wisdom, spiritual insight, compassion, and the ability to adapt to change with grace. People resonating with this number often have strong intuition and a desire to serve a greater good. They're deeply introspective and can transform endings into opportunities for renewal and growth. The energy of 2929 supports emotional maturity, empathy, and clarity in relationship. It also brings resilience and a strong sense of purpose, especially during life transitions. With its balance of 2 and 9 energies, this number embodies both inner peace and a forward-looking vision rooted in spiritual and emotional evolution. What are the weaknesses of angel number 2929? The potential weaknesses of angel number 2929 include fear of endings, emotional overwhelm, and resistance to necessary change. Because this number often brings closure and transition, individuals may struggle to let go of the familiar, even when it's holding them back. The influence of 9 can lead to over-sacrificing or feeling burdened by others' needs, while the 2s may cause indecision or dependency in relationship. People aligned with 2929 must guard against losing themselves in service to others or avoiding confrontation. Developing healthy boundaries and trusting in life cycles are essential to avoiding burnout or spiritual stagnation with this energy.